People always ask me where is PurMinds located. Well, PurMinds Enterprises Inc. is a Nevada company currently trading on OTC market. Its fully owned Canadian subsidiary, PurMinds Neuropharma, is in Toronto, Ontario. So would you like to see some Canadian winter? There you go. Very beautiful and very, very cold. Shall we continue?
What does precision medicine really mean in real life?
Precision medicine is a new approach to healthcare that it tailors diagnostics, treatment, and prevention strategy to each patient in a personalized approach. It moves away from one size fits all and instead uses detailed biological information to guide care. This is also the 4P medicine model that we're building with SpectroChip. Precision medicine in drug development also means understanding the pathologies of a disease using enhanced biomarker testing to subdivide patients into subgroups. This is what we call patient stratification. This will allow clinicians to recruit the right patients and also to enhance the success of the clinical trials.
How is PurMinds different from a traditional pharma company?
We have a pipeline of small molecules that we're developing, and these are molecules we call neuroplastogens, such as psilocybin and other small molecule analogs. I would say many traditional drug development companies rely solely on financing through the capital markets in hopes of achieving big valuation in about 5 to 10 years, while carrying a big risk that the drug may fail. I'm so far the biggest investor and shareholder of PurMinds, and I cannot let PurMinds carry such a big risk for such a long term without any other measures. Therefore, we at PurMinds have adopted a different approach. We call it multiple shots on goal, meaning we have revenue pathways in the short and medium term while we work on long-term value creation. The focus of our short and medium-term revenue program is really the partnership with SpectroChip in precision medicine solutions and in our 4P medicine framework.
Can you explain the 4P medicine framework in plain English?
4P medicine framework in plain English means predictive, preventive, personalized, and participatory. The framework allows a person to proactively manage their own health conditions and take ownership of their own health data. For example, in a neurological patient, we can provide long-term tracking of plasma tau protein and beta amyloid testing, which leads to early lifestyle and drug interventions, and which also means regular cognitive tracking and through patient education, and eventually establish a longitudinal data collection and monitoring system to manage disease progression.
How can AI improve personalized care?
We know that AI can improve personalized care by analyzing vast amount of data, detecting patterns invisible to humans, and guiding individualized interventions. An example is identifying early Alzheimer's risks through analyzing MRIs, PET scans, or plasma biomarker tests, such as the ones that PurMinds is developing in partnership with SpectroChip. And through these tests, AI can detect subtle early disease signatures, leading to precision diagnosis. It can also predict disease progression and optimize treatment plans.
From psychedelics to precision neuromedicine, what is PurMinds trying to achieve?
At PurMinds, we're on the mission to completely change how we understand, detect, and treat neurological and psychiatric conditions. On one hand, we're developing next-generation neurotherapeutics like psilocybin as a neuroplastogen class of small molecules, which really offers a beacon of hope for conditions that hasn't had any effective treatment for the last decades. On the other hand, we're building a precision neuromedicine platform, the 4P medicine framework, that uses early detection, biomarker tracking, and personalized intervention to really stay ahead of these diseases. By combining both, we can really tackle, the neurological conditions both proactively and therapeutically. At the end of the day, it's really about giving patients hope where there hasn't been any, and really reimagining what's possible in brain health. I would say also from a business point of view, our multiple shots on goal strategy is to manage enterprise risks and ensure both short-term impact and long-term success. So investors are not just investing in a neuroscience company that carries intrinsic risks that come with the uncertainty of drug development and, of course, potentially long-term value creation. They will also see real revenue in short, medium, and long term.